Hello people, welcome to my kitchen. Yes, it is the holiday season. So, today I am going to share Pakoda curry, which is my Bobby's favorite, and she mentioned to put this recipe. So, here's a shout out to my Bobby. Do please share it with your friends and subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. I will go over with you all the ingredients needed. Here I'm making big pot, so taking 12 cups of buttermilk chash, 2 cups besan, chana no lot, 2 cup chopped onion, 2 cup tomatoes, 1 teaspoonful garlic paste, methi powder 1 teaspoon, jeeru 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 6 green chilies, 1 cup cooked mustard seed oil, some fresh curry leaves. Here I'm mixing buttermilk chash with besan, chana no lot. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps left behind. Heat up the pot and add the mustard seed oil, add onions and saute them for a little while. Then add the rest of the ingredients, tomatoes and everything else, and just keep it on the heat and saute it for about few minutes. Once it starts separating oil, add this masala and mix up just like that. See how good it looks? Smells good too. Now I am just adding buttermilk to the sauteed masala. Mix well, cook on a medium heat and keep stirring. I would cook it for about hour and a half since it's a large pot. See, it's been cooking. See how it has changed the color and the consistency. It's almost cooked more than halfway through. Now it's going to be on higher heat than before. It's still cooking and I'm adding some water, 4 cups, and dilute it and then let it simmer until about another 10 minutes or so. Kadhi has been cooking on slow heat, simmer. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. So now we did the curry part. I'll go over with you with the pakoda part. What ingredients you will need and how you will mix it all together. So here it is. I'm going to chop onions, chop them thinly so it doesn't take too long to cook for the pakodas. And once they are cut, do your potatoes same way, thinly sliced. These are the ingredients for pakodas. 6 cups of besan, gram flour, 2 pounds of thinly sliced potatoes. We do thin slice because then it's faster to cook. Again, 2 medium onions, thinly sliced, 6 green serrano chili peppers, they are sliced as well. Then we'll need some handful of spinach. I have used mixed greens here since that's what I had, so but it's up to you. We'll need 2.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of toasted coriander seeds crushed, and salt to taste. Make sure the coriander seeds are toasted before you use them. They will give you such a good flavor. 2 teaspoonful cumin, jiru, 1 cup thick buttermilk. Just if you don't have one, you can dilute yogurt with water it down. That's fine. Okay, let's marry all the rest of the ingredients together and mix it all together nicely. I think I might need to change the bowl. There you go. It's much better. And add the yogurt as well. Mix it well for the pakodas. Add some water needed. Just check how your consistency is. It should be loose like this. Heat up your choice of cooking oil for frying in a pan. Normally they use mustard seed oil, but it's a bit pungent flavor for me, so I'm not going to use that. Fry this pakodas well, and they should come out like a golden yellow color, and yeah, see how good they look. This is how the color must come out. Okay, so we are done. The curry is done. Oh wow, look at that. And the pakoras are done. So what I'll do is just add the pakoras in curry. You can keep some on the side. They like to munch on its own, the dry ones. Not necessarily you need to put all of them in your curry. It's totally up to you how many you want to add in. For tadka, you will need 1 cup hot oil and 1 teaspoon jeera, limri, which is curry patta, and red dry chilies. Give a nice tadka to your curry. And this is the very last step. Look at this. Kadhi chawal, they are done, and it looks very yummy and smells great. Okay, so now you have it. So please subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Until then, see you. Bye.